Nice.
Jeez.
Our stopper. That's why we keep him there. That's where I keep my daughter on her team.
Yeah.
She's blocked so many. She's a stopper.
Yeah.
And she's just
unbelievable. That's
yeah.
really.
You put a big kid there, and that'll just when they can kick the ball. It
no
flies.
idea how many he has blocked. It's
yeah.
ridiculous.
Allie blocked like 8 in one game.
Yeah.
You know, so and he's blocked. Yeah. Follow it. Stay blocking it, Nathan. You're the last line.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh.
You okay?
Oh, yeah, he's okay.
Okay. Cover a green, you guys. You're all bunched.
That's why you wear shin guards.
Yeah.
Mark T, cover one of these guys. Evan, cover one of them.
Really good. They're keeping the pressure up really good.
Yeah.
Both are. Both teams. Yeah.
This could be a good game.
Yeah. It's been a really good game so far.
Nice. Good play. Matthew, take it.
Go over there. You receive the ball, man.
Yeah, get in. Your job is to stay in a position where somebody can get the ball to you. Stay on it.
Stay on it, Evan.
Okay, Gray, start moving away. Go. Go, Tillman. Start moving towards the goal, Gray. Towards the goal in your zone. Go. Towards the goal, Gray. Watch offside.
On who?
Us.
Andrew? I don't know. It was close. I can't. I'm not obviously at an angle, so I was watching Gray, not. Good. Stay on it, Matthew. Charge it. It's yours. Nice. Okay, move towards the goal, Mark.
Get
towards the goal.
Fast, Mark. Mark,
Andrew,
get over.
Everyone.
God, jeez, they're keeping up the good pressure.
They are. We just need to score one.
Yeah.
When?
I mean, that's all we need is one. Okay, so Matthew hasn't been out, so Elliot's going to go in for Matthew. The rest we'll leave alone.
Right.
And,
go, Gray! Shoot!
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 Again, keep the pressure on.
Keep it going, Mark!
Keep it on. It's ours.
Oh!
Go! Keep playing. No!
No!
Nice try.
Here. This is great. Yeah, no, this one is. It's pretty evenly matched. Well, I took Riley for 3. Nice job,
They're playing well enough again.
Oh!
Yeah, number 3 and 10 on the other team. Yeah. 3's moving now.
Go, Mark!
Cut him off!
Get it out! Get it out!
Yours. Go, Matthew!
Go!
Nathan!
Get it out of there!
Stop! Nathan, stay back, Nathan!
Stay back!
Nathan, you're the block. Stay back.
Get out!
Follow it.
Elliot! Evan, don't stop!
Get it out of there. Nice. Go. Great. Turn it. Follow it.
I do that all the time. I just got the names
Go.
right.
Go. That's yours, Trey. Cut him off. Cut him off, you guys. Don't wait. I want someone running at the ball. Someone run at the ball. Cut it off, Tillman. Nice.
Good work.
Nice. Bring it out here. 3.
Oh,
Yeah. I think if it's accidental, it's different. But yeah, that was a kind of deliberate header on Evan. I'm going to call him Elliot again.
I'm going to go in a couple of minutes. I'm going to leave this for you. This is where they're at. We're going to take Elliot out. Elliot's currently out in third quarter.
Right.
Fourth. So basically, Matthew is coming out as a left defender.
Okay.
And Elliot's taking his place.
Right.
That's all we're changing.
Right.
Say a couple more
So,
minutes.
what color is this?
We're in the third, and you're going to play the last quarter of the game. Matthew will be out the last quarter. So you're just switching with Matthew, number 15, left defender.
Hamish! Get off the pole!
Don't touch it. Cover a green, you guys. Cover a green. Follow it. Follow it, Matthew. Good.
They're getting us out of bounds today.
They've got to be. These guys are really good.
Some of them teams train their defenders.
Hamish!
Stay in. Get it out of there. Follow it. Follow it.
Follow it! Hamish! Good work! Get out! Yes!
All right. Follow it. Evan, start running. Nathan, you're a defender. Stay back. Nathan, get back in position.
Get ready, Hamish.
Follow it, Evan. Matthew.
Get it out of there.
Okay, Matthew.
Evan, go for it!
Towards the goal. Block the goal. Good. Follow it. Mark to your end. Go. Move towards the goal, Gray. As soon as you throw it. Move towards the goal.
Don't let it buy you.
Stay back, Nathan. Stay in an angle between the. Okay, get ready down the line. Go.
Here.
Go. Don't fight over it. Go, Tillman. Nice. Follow it. Follow it, Tillman. Cut him off, Andrew.
God, that boy, Nathan, just awesome.
White.
Pointer. Okay. I know. This is a great game. Make sure you cover 13, you guys. Tillman, behind you. Cover him. There you go. Good job. Follow it. Start running towards the ball.
Evan, don't stop.
Tillman. Nice. Good. Don't fight over it. Go, Gray.
Go, Gray.
Go.
Yours,
Mark
Gray.
open. Again. Stay on it. Turn it back.
Mark, keep your position.
Good job, Greg.
Okay.
All right, okay. All right.
That's where we're at.
I'll let you know what happens.
Okay, I'll talk to you.
Whatever, this is a good one. Go, Evan! Move! Don't stop! Oh, Evan, don't stop! Good.
Get out of there, Elliot.
Oh, quick! There we go.
Goalie. Take your time, Amy. Take your time. How to get out of there?
Out of Get it out of there!
Get it out.
Set.
White, Elliot, good throw. Guys, get ready.
Hamish, pay attention. Keep your arms down. Don't play with the arms.
Get it out of there. Get back in position, guys.
Ellie.
Good job.
Get it out.
Get it out! Get it out! Mark, get it forward!
Woo! Let's go!
Come on! Shoot!
Oh! Penalty!
When someone's down.
Oh. God, Tillman is just...
Let Elliot get it.
Come on! Elliot, get it! Oh! Nathan, get... Good!
Get back. Good throwing.